In this video, I'm going to show you how to do deep research with DeepSeek, Google DeepSeek. This is called deep thinking with Google DeepSeek. So we're going to enable the deep think as well as the search feature. You can search the internet and we'll have some reasonable references. So let's say I'm on my DeepSeek over here and I've just logged in with a new chat and I can ask, can you write a complete blog about the future of AI in academics? Okay, especially how this is going to affect the various sectors of research and development. Okay, so let's enable the deep think and then we can enable the research as well, both of them, and then we can go ahead and even enter to this. So this is going to sort the internet, do a lot of thinking before it starts giving us results. So let's give it some seconds. Let's come back and see the result of what it's going to create for us. So you can be able to read the thinking. It found 50 results and then this is the thinking. It is now thinking and analyzing the results that it is going to give us with all the references. So it is now like thinking out loud. So you can see what it is thinking through those sources that it has found. So let's just give you some seconds to finish the thinking and see what it is going to write for us. All right, so this is very detailed from the thinking. Take a look at the content it has given us. Section 1, very much detailed and even tabulated results. And then take a look section 1.2, sectoral transformation with all the references. That's what I like about it, putting all the references to the content that it has found. Section 2, academic writing, knowledge synthesis reimagined. Take a look, collaborative intelligence in action, and some tabulated top AI research tools and their applications. And then you can see section 4, navigating the challenges and ethical frontiers. This is building responsible AI ecosystem, future of academic landscape 2025 to 2030. So this is wonderfully very detailed and even a very good conclusion that it has written with this quote at the end, which is what I like the most from this doctor. Okay, so this is how to create deep research with this particular AI tool, DeepSeek. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.